Hi guys, I want to start saying that I know you find in a lot of books the major pentatonic and the minor pentatonic, but it's all the same scale. If you start with the major shape and you play all the position, at some point you're going to find the minor pentatonic. So they are the same scale. In fact, if you're playing over a G major chord and you're playing the G major pentatonic, you can also use the E minor pentatonic. It's the relative minor, but also you can use all the other shapes. Let's go over all the positions that we find with the major pentatonic. It's the same key of the PDF. On position 1, on fret 3, we have 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3. On position 2, we have 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4. On position 3, we have 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3. On position 4, we have 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. And on position 5, we have 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Now, I have included some basic exercises just to get used to with the shapes. The first exercise that comes in mind is just to go up and down the scale, So, and then you change position. The second exercise that I recommend is to just go down one shape and then go up the second shape. So what I mean is I go down one shape, I shift with my first finger is in charge, so I can move position, and I go back to the second position. Third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. Of course, use a metronome or a loop or something that gives you a time, and then try quarter notes, 8 notes, and 16 notes. The third exercise that I recommend to do is to play one position and then jump to the third position, go back to the second one, jump to the fourth one, go back to the third one, and then you jump to the fifth one. And then so far we worked on the scale in a vertical mode. We're gonna try to play them horizontally now. And it's the same thing. I have my first finger that is always in charge of the shape. So yeah, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, 1, 4. Now this is useful when you want to move around and then shoot a position. I can change playing a position, and if I want, I can go back to the next position. On the PDF, what you're going to find is how to play different pentatonics over the same chord. Major chords, minor chords, and dominant chords. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to discuss the major chords. Obviously, we think of playing the G major pentatonic scale and all the positions. But there are other two scales that have a quite inside sound. There are different ones. And you also find a diagram with different scales that you should try. But the one that I always use are two more major pentatonic scale. One starting from the 9th and the other one starting from the 5th. From the 9th is the A major pentatonic. And of course, all the shapes of the major pentatonic, goes without saying. And of course, from the D, now if we analyze quickly why those two scales do work over the major chord is, for example, if I'm playing an A major, all the notes are pretty much inside, apart from the C sharp. The C sharp will change the G major 7 into G major 7 sharp 11. So you're going to have like a Lydian sound, and it's really nice. And of course, if you're playing the D major, you have the F sharp only. and then that's the seventh. Of course, it's also present on the A major scale, the seventh. But it's very nice to get this sound. The harmony changes a little bit, so you are not always confined to that G major pentatonic sound. You can change a little bit by changing scale, and it's a trick that everyone does. It's very nice. So get used to play at least 3 different scales over all the chords, all the major ones, the minor ones, and the dominant ones. They will go a long way.